We call Jackie Chan as Seng Long Dai Go in Cantonese. Do you know what Dai Go means? In a Cantonese hair salon, you may hear the others call the hairdresser Si Fu. Do you know what does that mean? In this tutorial, you will learn a few more common titles in Cantonese. If it's your first time watching my video, I would like to quickly introduce myself. I'm originally from Hong Kong and now I'm living in Germany. I started this channel was to share my knowledge of my mother tongue Cantonese. For those who are learning Cantonese, you'll find many useful daily conversation and expressions in my videos. The detailed list includes the meanings and the use of the words are updated on my website. Let's start our tutorial today. Today I'm going to introduce 9 common Cantonese titles which can be used without surnames. Number 1. Uncle. We call our uncle, the younger brother of father, as Suk Suk. This title is also called by the children when they call a male adult. Another name for this title is Suk. Suk. If you don't know this man's surname and he looks like in his 50s, you can call him Suk. Number 2. Aunt, the wife of uncle. We call her Sam Sam. Another name to this title is Sam. If you don't know her surname and she looks over 50 years old, you can call her Sam. Number 3. The older sister, 姐姐, 姐姐, or 家姐, 家姐. 家 means family. 家姐 means the older sister in the family. Another person we also call 姐姐 is the domestic helpers who help the family taking care of the young children. They usually live in the family and take the role of the older sister. In a restaurant, we often hear people say 阿姐, 阿姐. They call the waitress 阿姐. If you don't know this lady's surname and she's around middle age, you can call her 阿姐. Number 4. The older brother. Here are 4 ways to call the older brother. 大哥, 大哥, 哥哥, 哥哥, 阿哥, 阿哥, 大佬, 大佬. It's also very common for children to call an older young man 哥哥. If you don't know this man's surname and he's around middle age, you can call him 阿哥. It's very common to call a waiter 阿哥. Number 5. The younger brother. 細佬, 細佬, or 弟弟, 弟弟. However, 弟弟 is more common in written form. In spoken form, we usually use 細佬. 細佬 is also very common for the adult to call the boys in school age. Number 6. The younger sister. 細妹, 細妹, or 阿妹, 阿妹, or 妹妹, 妹妹. In written form, we usually use 妹妹. 阿妹 is also very common for the adults to call the girls in school age. 師傅 師傅 the master, the person who is very skilled in a particular job, mainly for hand workers, such as technicians, the chefs, the hairdressers. It can be used for male or female. If you know his or her surname, for example Wang, you can call him 王師傅, 王師傅, Master Wang. So next time when your air conditioner needs to be fixed, you know how to say thank you to the technician. 唔該晒師傅. Thank you, Master. We call the owner of the business 老細, 老細, or 老闆, 老闆. If you know his surname, for example Wang, we call him 王老闆, 王老闆, Boss Wang. And we call the boss's wife 老闆娘, 老闆娘. 娘 came from the ancient Chinese. They call the ladies 娘. Nowadays, we do not use it to call the ladies in general. Another title for the wife of the boss is 師頭婆, 師頭婆. That's the end of the tutorial. I hope you enjoy watching and learning. If you would like to watch more videos like this, make sure you give a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. You can find the details of this tutorial on my website. The link is down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.